right there. When I pause my rush and simply see, each little thing can bow and worship thee.
In quiet steps, in simple grace, your tenderness fills every place. When I slow down, I feel you near, transforming every moment here. Not in grandeur, not in show, but where quiet rivers flow. Meet me, Lord, in small designs, sacred moments, hearts alive. A breath, a look, a heart that knows. In smallness, your great presence grows. I long to stand where heaven touches skin, where gentleness removes the weight of sin, to rest beneath the glow of mercy's rays, and walk my days in the light of your face. In the light of your face I find peace that quiets every trembling mind. Here I'm held and here I'm known. In your light I'm safely shown. When night is long and shadows press my soul, your light returns and makes my spirit whole. No other place can turn my heart to song, like being found where I belong. In the light of your face I find peace that quiets every trembling mind. Here I'm held and here I'm known. In your light I'm safely shown. Draw me close, let all fear cease. In your face I find my peace. Hold me near in gentle grace. Let your light fill every place. In every breath, in every space I find my rest. In the light of your face. You greet me soft, you call me child. No harsh demand, no voice so wild. Your mercy folds like linen light and heals my wounded midnight plight.
Yet, oh, grace tender and near, holding all my doubt and fear. When I fall, when I break, gentle grace will lift and wake. You bend to me, my weakest part. You sew my wounds and mend my heart. Not by power, but by love. You perfect me from skies above. Yet, oh, grace tender and near, holding all my doubt and fear. When I fall, when I break, gentle grace will lift and wake. Teach me patience, teach me love. Guide my steps to walk above. Together,
Let your grace in quiet flow, shaping hearts in gentle glow.
in every breath, in every space, I rest again in gentle
I lay my treasures at your side. No more pretense, nothing to hide. A heart unveiled, a humble plea. All that I am, I bring to thee. Hold before you, laid out clean. No more masks, no in between. Take these moments, make them true. All I have, my heart to you.
when praise is small and words run dry. You lift the song that bids me try. I leave my heart before you.
Treasures at your side. No more pretense, nothing to hide. A heart unveiled, a humble plea. All that I am, I bring to thee. Heart before you, laid out clean. No more masks, no in between. Take these moments, make them true. All I have, my heart to you.
When praise is small and words run dry, you lift the song that bids me try. A simple offering, pure and new. My heart before you, that will do.
Hold this heart, refine in its gold. In your hand, my story told. Together shape my soul with holy view. Keep my heart in love with you.
In quiet trust and steady view, I leave my heart before you.
"'Twas December at Bob's when savers do seek the final unboxing. It's Bob's Cyber Week. Not that kind of Cyber Week. I'm talking reclining sofas for just $5.99. My Bobapedic Gem mattress for $2.99. Trend-setting beds, $2.99. Even dining sets for, you guessed it, $2.99. So make the most of your holiday shopping and stop into your local store or shop online to unbox major savings all Cyber Week long. Oh my Bob!
Bob's Discount Furniture.
There's a whisper like a breeze at dawn, a hush that tells me I belong.
Soft and certain as a faithful friend, it calls my soul and never ends. Whisper of heaven, breathe on me. Turn my hurry into holy be. In the smallness, let me hear the voice that draws me ever near. not thunder, not a roaring sea, but gentle truth that comforts me.
A quiet call to come and sing, a whispering of the coming King. Lean my ear to heaven's tone, make your whisper my true home. Let my soul in stillness rest, held in grace and mercy blessed. Whisper softly, whisper true, lead my heart to follow you.
We bow in silent awe. We bow in gentle praise. Your goodness paints the morning and orders all our days. Every meadow, every star declares your endless worth. Holy are you, Lord, the maker of the earth. Holy are you, Lord, forever we proclaim. Name above all names, we lift a quiet flame. In our hush, in our song, we give our hearts to you. Holy are you, Lord, always wise and true.
Your holiness draws near to every trembling heart, a gentle touch to mend the places torn apart.
In sacred moments we behold this tender sight. Your holiness becomes our guiding light. Holy are you, Lord, forever we proclaim. Name above all names, we lift a quiet flame. In our hush, in our song, we give our hearts to you. Holy are you, Lord, always wise and true.
Hallelujah, in a whisper cry.
Holy you are, be lifted high.
In our stillness, in our praise, you are holy all our days.
Holy are you, Lord, forever we proclaim. Name above all